Sony WH-CH720N. As you can see, this is a brand new one. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for it. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. All right, there we go. I'm going to take my old headphones here, say goodbye. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what comes in here. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So that's just one part of the packaging. Let's take away. Now we're presented with the Sony box here. Let's go ahead. Yep, right here. Let's see how we can take this out actually. Okay, so I'm guessing it has to come from here. Yep, there we go. All right, we did it. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and flip this over. There you go. That's the right way to do it. Okay, perfect. So this is the box that you can see here that the headphones comes in. Seems like they give you some general instructions for you to go ahead and follow, which seems pretty simple. 3 steps here that you have to go ahead and do. I don't recall doing this the first time I got it. I didn't have to scan the QR code here. I just hit power, and then all I did was connect via Bluetooth, and then that was it. So, as you can see here, this is the replacement. This is the bag that it comes in, as you can see. And then we're going to take it out. And here we have the nice, crisp, nice headphones. So, as you can see, these ones came in black to replace my old ones. So I am just going to go ahead and set this off to the side here. And then we're going to see what else comes in the packaging. So, obviously here we get the booklet. Let's put that off over here. Yeah, we don't need the box anymore. We don't need the wrapping. We'll just put everything out right here. This one is it's like the 3.5mm jack for your headphones, goes right in here. And then the other side goes into your PC, computer, whoever has a 3.5mm jack. And then last but not least, we have the really short USB-C to, I think it's USB-A cable. Very short. I'm surprised about the length here. That is pretty interesting. Didn't know they made cables that short. So that is it. That is all the packaging that it comes with. Again, these are my old ones. So sad to see that they're broken, but I love them so much that they did last me a whole year, which is good. And as you can see here, since I got this video, I'll go ahead and do this now. As you can see, these are the headphones, completely brand new. And this is what the headphones kind of look like. This is about a year of consistent use. So if you do want to go ahead and see how long, the review for my 1-year headphones, you can go ahead and check that in the corner, the top right corner of this video. And that will link you to the 1-year review for the Sony headphones. Not this particular one, but my old one at least. Well, that's it for tonight's unboxing video. Sean Sims Tech out. I'll be bringing more videos in the near future.